សួស្តីថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកបង្ហាញរបៀបបុកត្រីខជាមួយម្ទេសអាំង Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted red bell pepper with tuna. I have one big bowl of garlic cut in half. ខ្ទឹមសមួយមើមធំកាត់ជាពីរអញ្ចេះ one shallot cut in half. ខ្ទឹមក្រហមកាត់ជាពីរ and I have 3 large red bell pepper. ខ្ញុំមានម្ទេសផ្លោកក្រហម3ធំធំណា Bake in the air fryer until it is nice and golden. ព្រោះឲ្យយកទៅអាំងវាឲ្យរាងក្រហមចឹងមក Peel the skin of the red bell pepper. ហើយយើងបកសបកវាចេញមកណា You can just remove the seed, but I like to keep the whole thing. I like the seed. And I'm going to save the garlic shell for the soup. These are so flavorful. I'm going to get rid of the liquid. យើងចាក់ទឹកនឹងចោលយកតកាអេ Toast until it is completely dry. លេងវាឲ្យស្ងួតទឹក Nice and toasty. 6 toasted red chili. ខ្ញុំប្រើម្ទេសក្រៀម6 You can use as many as you want. Add the shallot and the garlic first. A little bit of fermented shrimp paste. ដាក់កាពិបន្តិចណា A little bit of MSG ប៊ីចេងបន្តិច 1 teaspoon of tamarind powder mix. ម្សៅម្ជូរ1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ This is going to be taste and adjust. A teaspoon of sugar ស្ករស1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ and then give it a blend. ហើយបុកវាឲ្យម៉ត់ទៅណាម្ទេសដែលយើងអាំងមុនហ្នឹង I need some more tamarind powder mix. Not sour enough. ថែមម្ជូរបន្តិចទៀតមក and the fish sauce. Add to taste. ដាក់ទឹកត្រីមកភ្លក់ទៅណា All done. Roasted red bell pepper with canned tuna. This is perfect with steamed rice, sticky rice, or you can pair it with bread to make like a sandwich.